Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashionable blog. In today's video, I will be share with you 20 New Year gift ideas for men 2025. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 1. Lunch bag. Number 2. Food gift hamper. Number 3. Joggers. Number 4. Jacket. Number 5. Running shoes. Number 6. Indoor smart garden. Number 7. Massage gun. Number 8. Wallet and belt. Number 9. Bathtub kit. Number 10. Smartphone. Number 11. Photo frame. Number 12. Grooming kit. Number 13. Perfume. Number 14. Smartwatch. Number 15. Earbuds. Number 16. Dartboard kit. Number 17. Chain. Number 18. Home gym set. Number 19. Portable blender. Number 20. Shorts. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.